Hello, and welcome along to this short video where I'm going to look at what's been included in the 0.3.0 release of the Cake extension for JetBrains Rider. So let's go ahead and jump in. So there's been quite a few additions in this release. A couple of the bug fixes I'm not going to be able to talk through in this video, mainly because they were both targeting Ubuntu, and I'm on a Windows machine here, so I can't show what the problem was or really speak to exactly what they were. But if you were having issues specifically with the extension on Ubuntu, then hopefully some of those issues have been addressed. So without saying too much more, first thing to do, obviously, open Rider and go to settings and then go to the plugin section and make sure that you've got the latest version installed. Those of you that will notice that I've currently got the 0.3.1 version installed, but I'm talking about the 0.3.0 release. There was a bug fix release quite quickly after the 0.3.0 release to address an issue, but everything I'm going to talk about here is included in the 0.3.0 release that we made. So the first thing is there was a number of changes that were made. So for example, if I go to this project and I say right click and I say add, you'll see now that there is an option to add a cake file where there wasn't before. So you can take the opportunity to add a cake file into the project just within the context menus that are available. There's also some additional context menus that have been added for Cake up here for installing things. So for example, if you want to install the default cake.config file or the bootstrappers for either PowerShell or Bash, then you have the options there. Now, all of these files are being downloaded from the Cake website, so they hold the kind of default recommendations for bootstrappers and for configuration, but obviously you can change those to fit your need. And there's another one there that will also ensure that Cake.NET Global Tool is installed. So you'll see that I've already got it installed, but it popped up to say that it was there. So again, it's just about adding in the kind of getting started things that are needed for adding Cake into your project. There's another fix that was added that when you're running Cake builds, if the Cake.NET Global Tool is not there, it will automatically install it for you. And there was some additional kind of feature addition. So we ran into a couple of issues specifically with regard to where to find Cake when it's being executed, and that was to do with the way the path variables was being handled within Rider and both in the extension. So there was some work done to change up the Cake Runner defaults so that they don't rely so heavily on the path variable, so to work around the issues that we saw there. So all in all, some exciting stuff in the 0.3.0 release of the Cake extension for Rider. All of this work single-handedly has been done by Nils on the Cake team, so appreciate him putting the effort in for this. So if you have got any questions, feel free to reach out as an issue on the project, or if you want to reach out on a more general discussion on Cake, then you can do that on the discussions section of the main Cake repository. So yeah, let us know if you've got any feedback or comments or what you'd like to see added into the extension, and we can build on it from there. Thank you very much.